Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix microphone not working in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general and then click on software updates, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. Your latest version will be depend upon your microphone recording. So if it doesn't update, then update it to latest iOS version. After updating latest iOS version, restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, clean your mic with soft cloth, speaker with soft cloth, and other thing. And after cleaning that, your problem will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix, if it's not working, then simply open settings and click on general and scroll down in last, and the last option is simply click on transfer or reset iPhone and reset, and then click on reset all settings, and here enter your screen passcode to reset all your phone settings, and here it will be confirmed to reset all your settings. It will reset all your phone settings but never destroy and other data like photos, videos and other data. So after reset all your settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.